The moment we say we're buying a house, suddenly everyone around us becomes an expert. Our mom say just buy BTO, safe and stable. Our uncles say go for condo, fewer restrictions, better appreciation over time. Our friends, YOLO, you only waste once. Buy what you really like. And we're just sitting here like, who is actually right? We asked our families, but most of them bought 10, 20 years ago. Policies have changed, prices have changed. Then we asked our agent friends, but many just tell us to buy a new condo, collect keys in 3-4 years time, sell after seller stamp duty and make the money. So many voices, so many noises around us. What really helped me before I even understood property was this guide, a step-by-step, updated and used by real families like ours. It cuts through the noise and shows what really matters. So whether you're buying your first home or upgrading or for investment, download it now. Save your time, avoid costly mistakes, and make the right move today for your family and ours. Click the link below to download the free ebook now.